Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl Munnoh. I'm so excited to have you join me again today. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, welcome to the family. And if you are a returnee, thank you so much for always coming back. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful spring twist wig. So if this is something that you're interested in, please keep watching. First off, I am prepping the kinky hair that I'm going to be using. I'm using Expression series for this tutorial. Okay, so I cut each one into 2 equal halves, and then I am going to detangle the hair, oil the hair, and then split it into 3 equal parts. Okay, because I don't want the twist to be very bulky. All right, next thing I'm doing is to mark out the pattern, to mark the style that I want to do on the wig cap. All right, so I'm basically just marking that using a pencil. Now that I am done marking, I'm going to go ahead and start my twist. The first twist that I did, I am basically just showing you the wrong way to do it, right? So for spring twist, you do not want to twist the regular way that you twist. If you twist the regular way, the twist will not bounce. It won't give you that springy bounce. I am going to do the right one on the other side so that you can see the difference between the two of them. The first one I did the regular twist, and then this second one I am going to do the spring twist so that you can see the difference between the two twists. That will help you understand how the twist is done. I'm basically just wrapping the strands around each other. I am not twisting at all. Can you see what I am doing? I am just wrapping it around each other. I am not twisting at all. What happens when you twist this head the regular way that twisting is done? The twist becomes very tight and then it loses its bounciness, right? So you want this hair to bounce. That is why it's actually called spring twist. So you might have to practice this a couple of times for you to get a hang of it, all right? Can you see the difference between this and the first one I did? Can you see the difference? Okay, so I'm going to unravel that one and then do it the right way. I'm just going to leave you to watch this video because I feel that if you watch the video without me rambling, you're still going to understand what I am trying to explain here. All right. Now that I've gotten to the lace closure, I'm going to switch my crochet hook to a tinier one, because the big one I was using before would rip this part. You know, this lace is actually very fragile. So what I'm going to do is I would have to split the hair into smaller pieces and then feed it in using the smaller crochet hook, right? If I use the big one, it's going to rip the net, and if I try to put in a lot of hair at once, it is still going to rip the net. That is why I decided to crochet it in smaller sections. If you are not yet a part of this family, please subscribe to the channel so that you can become a part of this awesome family. When you subscribe, please hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video with somebody. You never can tell who might need it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section for me. Criticisms are welcome, but please keep them constructive. If you have any requests of any video you'd like me to make for you, please leave it in the comment section and I'll try as much as I can to do that for you. Alright? Until I see you next time, stay safe and stay blessed. you.